Guys, welcome back. We're looking at what is Aspo World, Aspo token, an article by CoinMarketcap Alexandria on game fee, game finance. So, guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to click on the red subscribe button beneath this video and also turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever we drop a beneficial update. I also like our videos. Click on the share buttons to share our videos. And also, we do also recommend you can also drop your feedbacks in the comment section to help us grow, for us to also be able to assist you if need be, and also to share your views about these crypto happenings in the crypto world. So back to the news, it says Aspo token is a tactical NFT based role playing game for Android and iOS users. The game's storyline is set in a mythical world of sorcerers and spirits, with a grand tournament hosted every 500 years to find the king of sorcerers, with the current king weakened by unwanted disruption from a troublemaker called Asakura Ao. A group of high school students prepare to win the next tournament. For gameplay, Aspo is a digital card collection game with battle elements where players can select one of three warrior classes: hunter, fighter, or witch. So winning a battle is mainly a function of how well a player's squad combines its character attributes of stamina, say strength, agility, and intelligence. Completing battles and gaining experience allows players to up their level and unlock and class transitions. So thanks to the competitive and skill-based nature of its gameplay, the team sees Aspo World as a particularly good fit for esports tournament and plans to organize future tournaments either directly or through third-party sponsors. The team strives to build functionality into the game assets and expect Aspo World to develop more different battle variations in the future. The Aspo World is being developed by a team of experienced Vietnamese entrepreneurs and game developers. Some of the team members are okay. We have founder of EduBox, we have ICO of Duo Company here, game manager, project manager, founder of Big Gates of Vietnam, founder of Bossmap. Okay, you want to check this out? Then said, how does the Aspo World work? So as its core, Aspo World is a play to earn card-based and battle game where players pick a hero from one of the three classes: Hunter, Fighter, Witch, who comes with a unique skill. Each class has two subclasses. Hunters are divided into Scouts and Snipers, while Fighters are Blade and Gundao, Witches are Enchanter and Asura. Each hero is equipped with spirits, which are divided into different quality levels: common, rare, light, ascension, and legendary. So spirits can further be divided into four groups. So there's these are the basic splitting how these modes are made. So what makes them unique is that Aspo World tries to distinguish itself from other play-to-earn games with its superior graphics and sound design. The graphics are based on Japanese manga design with harmonious and bright color palettes to lure players into the game's magical world theme. The sound design features background music and instructions voiced in standard Japanese, as well as dramatic and powerful sound effects during combat. Another distinguishing factor is the ability to earn in various ways, either by completing the game's campaigns and quests or by staking. So, furthermore, the game's tokenomics allocates a significant amount of the tokens total supply to rewards. We have private sale 9%, 1% public sale. We have a liquidity ecosystem, treasury, play to earn rewards, and more. Yeah. So that means at least 35% of the ASPO supply is reserved in its as in-game rewards. The ecosystem fund is initially managed by the core team, but will later become owned by the ASPO community and its token holders. Looking at the price prediction and future outlook, says as of highlighting our weekly roundup of play to earn games, the entrance of big players like Meta and Adidas into the metaverse market means that more money will flow to smaller projects like Aspo World as well. At the time of writing, Aspo is trading around $0.25, down over 80% from its ATH of $1.95. Aspo has also lost significantly compared to its opening price of $1.08. So, however, altcoins like Aspo are bound to suffer the hardest amid the wider market downturn, considering that the team team's tokens are vested over 36 months, so we can expect this project to be built for the long run and price of Aspo to find a floor once the crypto market stabilizes. So that's what we have today on CoinMarketCap news. Stay tuned for more. Feel free to like our videos. You can also subscribe, guys. We recommend you do subscribe. Turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.